Today I'm going to show you this pattern. It's very easy and simple. For this pattern I need 11 multiples plus 1 stitches, and it's a 4-row pattern. And then let's begin. And I have 22 double crochets. I did double crochets, it's easy to show you. And my first row I'm going to do 3 chain, 1 2 3, and I'm turn, and I am going to do 4 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 double crochets. I did 4 double crochets. Now I am going to start my repeat section. Repeat section is 2 chain, and I'm going to skip 2 chain over there. Can you see 2 chain, and make 9 double crochets. I'm working with 3rd chain, skip 2, and I'm going to do 9 double crochets. And this is my repeat section. 2 chain, 9 double crochets, 2 chain, 9 double crochets. This is my repeat section. And when I am here, I show it to you. I'm in the end of the row. I did 2 chain, and I am going to skip 2 chain. I'm in the 3rd chain. I am going to do 5 double crochets in the end of my row. I'm not going to do 9 because I have space for 5. 3 4 5. Fifth one I'm going to the top of 3 chain. Oops, sorry. Top of 3rd chain. End of row 2, its pattern is end of row 1 pattern is look like this. And end of my second row, 1 2 3, I am turn, and I am going to do 2 more double crochets here. 1 2 double crochets, and 2 chain. This is my repeat section. 2 chain, I'm going to this 2 chain gap, and I make 1 double crochet and 3 chain picot. 1 2 3, and make a 3 chain picot. Again same place I'm going to do double crochet. Okay, and again and again 2 chain, it's look like this. And I'm skip these first 2 chain, 2 gap here, 1 and 2, and I'm going to the 3rd chain, and I'm making 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the repeat section. 2 chain, double crochet, picot, double crochet, 2 chain, 5 double crochets. This is the repeat section. Again I am 2 chain, and end of the row I show it to you. Now I am in the end of the row, and I have 2 chain, and I am not going to do 5 chain. I'm going to do 3 chain because I'm skip these 2, and I'm going to the 3rd one. I make a 3 double crochets. 1 2 3. 3 double crochets. This is my end of second row. Then now I am going to do 3rd row. I am going to make 5 chain, 3, 1 2 3, and I need to another 2 for turning, and I'm going to this gap, and I'm making a double crochet and 3 chain picot, 3 chain picot, and again double crochet. This is my repeat section. 2 chain, double crochet, picot, and double crochet, again 2 chain, go to this gap here and go to make a double crochet and make a picot, and double crochet, and make a 2 chain again, 1 2, and make a 1 double crochet in the middle of the fifth double crochets. I'm going to the middle one and skip 2, and third one I'm going to make a double crochet, and again I have to continue this part again, 2 chain, double crochet, picot, and picot section. I'm in the end of the row now, and I'm going to do 2 chain and make a double crochet in the top of this 3 chain. Okay, end of the third row, it's look like this. I'm going to the fourth row now. Fourth row is my last row for this pattern. I'm going to do 3 chain and turn and make a 2 double crochet in this gap, 1 2 double crochet, and now I'm going to start my repeat section. I'm going to do 2 chain, go to the middle of this section, this 2 chain gap, you can see 2 chain gap, and make a double crochet and a picot, 1 2 3. This is my repeat section, and double crochet again. Okay, see, again 2 chain, 1 2, and now I have one double crochet here. I'm going to do 2 double crochets in this gap, and 1 2, and third one I'm going to the top of this double crochet, and third one, and fourth double crochet, and my 5th double crochet. This is the repeat section. Okay, again 2 double crochet, picot 1, and 2 double crochet, and the end of the row I show it to you. 2 chain, and end of the row I am going to do 3 double crochet, 3 double crochets, sorry, 1 2 double crochet, third double crochet I'm going to do at top of this 3 chain. Okay, this is my pattern, and look at it. And again I'm starting row 1 again, row 1, because it's 4 row pattern. I'm starting row 1 again. It's 5 double crochet like this, 5 double crochet, 2 chain gap. After few rows my pattern is look like this. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.